Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy recipe on how to make chicken teriyaki. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here's everything you need to make this recipe. You can pause it and screenshot it, and they'll also be listed in the description below. Okay, first things first, we're going to wash our chicken. I'm going to take my 2 chicken breasts and add them to a bowl. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some apple cider vinegar, lemon, and water. I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. I'm not using any measurements. You don't have to either. I'm just going to add how much apple cider vinegar I feel like, and then add a half of a lemon, add that in there, and then fill the rest with water. I'll go ahead and slice your green onion and mince your ginger and garlic. Take 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix that together, and we're going to use this for our thickening agent. Now let's get started on our sauce. Add 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seed oil, 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey. Add in the 2 cloves of garlic that we previously chopped, and also the half a tablespoon of minced ginger. Lastly, go ahead and add in that cornstarch mixture. Turn your stove on medium-high heat, and we're going to bring this to a boil. While your sauce is heating up, you're going to notice that your sauce is going to turn a dark brown color. That's okay. It's going to probably start to boil right after that. Once it starts boiling, we're going to let it thicken up for about 3 to 5 minutes. After the 3 minutes, you're going to start to notice that it thickened up. So now we're going to turn our heat off and remove that and let it cool for about 30 minutes. While we let our sauce cool down, we're going to go ahead and remove our chicken from the vinegar lemon water, and we're going to go ahead, cube our chicken, remove any fat or any excess you don't want on the chicken, and also don't forget to sanitize your sink. You do not want salmonella. Now that our chicken is all cut up, I'm going to go ahead and season it. This is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and season it with Tony's Cajun seasoning. And then I'm also going to season it with onion powder and garlic powder. If you don't have Tony's seasoning, you can go ahead and use any seasoned salt. It usually has Cajun, garlic powder, and onion powder already in it. So you can go ahead and use that. Once you season all of your chicken, you're going to go ahead and mix that all around so that you can evenly coat each piece. Now that your chicken is cut up and seasoned, add some olive oil or vegetable oil to a pan, and we're going to go ahead and cook our chicken all the way through. Once your chicken is all the way cooked, you're gonna see that it releases this juice. I don't know if it's from the fat or the oil, but I go ahead and strain that. And then I'm gonna cook the onion whites from the spring onion that we previously chopped. Cook that for 1 minute until fragrant, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken back in. I like my chicken to be really brown on all sides, so I'm adding it back on medium-high heat, and I'm gonna let it get brown. As you can see, all of the sides are getting really brown, so I'm gonna keep cooking that until all of the pieces are brown, and then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna add our sauce. Okay, so now that all of our chicken is completely cooked and it has brown on all of the sides, we're gonna go ahead, grab our teriyaki sauce that we made earlier, add it to the pan, and evenly coat all of the chicken pieces. I let this cook with the teriyaki sauce for an additional probably 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can take it off the heat. After the 3 minutes, you should notice that your sauce has reduced and thickened up. Once it's as thick as you like it, you can go ahead and remove it from the eye. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make it pretty by garnishing it with the spring onions that we previously chopped and adding some sesame seeds. So here is how your teriyaki chicken should come out. I think this recipe was very simple and easy to make. I go ahead and pair it up with some white rice and some broccoli. Here I am making my dinner plate. Please let me know if you tried this recipe and enjoyed this video. Please also in the comments let me know any videos that you recommend.